Apparently today, well, a couple days ago, I won a giveaway. I'm going to unbox it. This is so weird. Okay. All we gotta do is tear it. What is it? Is there more in there? It's a knee hockey stick. I thought it was gonna come off a ball, but I guess that's Zeph's giveaway. But there's a new knee hockey stick. My other one at the bottom, it was getting scratched up, and it was kind of getting bad. So it would like cut you whenever it like hits the ground or like your foot. So nice. It's smooth. It fits nice. It's really good. So go to LG Alpha Catching if you want a knee hockey stick, and Zeph's Hockey Fit 64 if you want a ball with a knee hockey ball with it. That was the unboxing of my giveaway, of the giveaway I won from my friend. Bye.